Cupping is an alternative therapy that involves suctioning the skin with glass, plastic, or silicone cups. It may help improve blood flow, boost immune function, remove toxins, and reduce pain. Have you noticed more and more celebrities showing up to events with little round marks on their backs? These come from cupping therapy. But what is it? Cupping is a type of alternative therapy that involves placing cups on the skin to create suction. This suction is thought to improve the flow of energy in the body and facilitate healing. One of the oldest medical texts to mention cupping therapy is Ebers Papyrus, 1550 BC, from ancient Egypt, though cupping is a part of many ancient healing systems, including Chinese, Unani, traditional Korean, and Tibetan. Greek physician Hippocrates, often referred to as the father of medicine, even compiled descriptions of cupping techniques. These days, cupping therapy is usually found as a treatment offered by practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine. Proponents believe the suction helps facilitate the flow of qi in the body. Qi is a Chinese word meaning life force. Many believe that cupping helps balance yin and yang, or the negative and positive, within the body. Restoring balance between these two extremes is thought to help with the body's resistance to pathogens as well as its ability to increase blood flow and reduce pain. Cupping increases blood circulation to the area where the cups are placed. This may relieve muscle tension, which can improve overall blood flow and promote cell repair. It may also help form new connective tissues and create new blood vessels in the tissue. People use cupping to complement their care for a host of symptoms and conditions.